Right, this video is about testing glow plugs. Quickest video I can make. A lot of people think that to test glow plugs, the best thing to do is to apply voltage across them. And that just simply won't work on most modern glow plugs, as they are low voltage. These are 4-ish volts, 4.7 volts. The easiest way to test them is with a multimeter on ohms. Place the leads together and take a note of the reading, check it's working. You only get around somewhere between 0 and 1 ohms with the lead shorted like that. And then place one lead on the body and one lead on the tip. If it's in the car, place one lead on the engine and one lead on the tip. And you see that's a good glow plug there, as we're getting a reading. It's a low reading. This one's a bad glow plug. You can see the end is a bit blacker, being very high. Anything above about 3 ohms is bad. This one I think must be bad as well, because it's black at the end. Again, we're getting a silly high reading, 700 ohms. And that one's fine. That's a low reading, less than an ohm. So it won't actually tell you whether it's working, but it's a very, very, very good guide. If you don't have to take the plug out of the car to test it, and it's pretty reliable. Obviously, there is a chance that you could get a low reading and the tip doesn't heat up, but in reality, I've never seen that happen. What you mustn't do is apply 12 volts to a 4-volt glow plug, because it will just burn it out straight away. So that's quite easy to do. I've seen people make that mistake. Most modern glow plugs are low voltage, so double check before testing.